Welcome to day 2 of the 14-day challenge. If you missed day 1, go check out our YouTube playlist to catch up with the key settings to start designing with JewelKitPro. Today, we will design a timeless classic, a diamond ring. You'll learn how to combine different JewelKitPro components into a complete design.
We'll begin by importing the components into this worksheet. First, navigate to your ring kit, drag the thin tube ring and drop it in your design sheet. Do the same for the oval diamond and the evil claw prong. Once all your components are imported, it's time to organize our layers. Make sure the ring is at the bottom, the diamond above it, and the prong on top. Whenever you'd like to undo, you can tap with 2 fingers on the screen. To redo, just tap with 3 fingers on the screen. You see here, when we position the diamond underneath the ring layer, part of the diamond will be covered by the ring. So the layers order is crucial in any design. To set the diamond with the prongs, start by reducing the size of the prong and placing it at one corner of the diamond. Then open your layers menu, swipe left on the prong and duplicate it. Then with the editing tool, position it on the opposite side of the diamond. You can merge these 2 prongs by pinching them together in the layers menu, duplicate them and place them at the bottom side of the diamond.
This was it for day 2. Congrats on designing your very first piece, and I hope you learned something new. If you have any questions or thoughts about today's design, drop them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss future updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.